Let's build a small grid printer using large grid welders. It will be able to connect the freshly printed chip directly to your base. I've chosen a challenging blueprint, a medium-sized chip that runs only on hydrogen and ion thrusters. Since we are on Earth, the ion thrusters won't work and hydrogen just can't be printed. That means with a standard printer, this chip will be stuck, unless you had another chip strong enough to hold it to a connector. Let's get started. Here is our base, stocked with enough materials to build the ship. We've also got hydrogen tanks and everything we need. First, we'll connect a row of conveyors to the main conveyor that's linked to the base, the one that pulls all the components from your base. The bigger the row, the bigger the print can be. At the center of the row, I place 2 conveyors going upward so we can add a connector later. Now, fill the area with upward facing welders, all connected together. The width is up to you. Frame it with armor blocks. To allow walking in the printer area, we'll place 1 by 1 windows in front of the welders. Place a control seat and 2 button panels. Place 8 blocks vertically. Grind the rotor head. Go to the control panel, find your rotor, and click Add Small Head. This will allow us to attach small blocks to our structure. Place a projector. Rename all the pistons. I've numbered them so I can easily recognize them in the control panel. Place buttons around the projector. They'll be used to set the position of your blueprint. Press K to configure the button. From the control seat, press K again and group all the welders together. Now we are going to set the maximum distance of our pistons, since the projector needs to be centered. Set the velocity of the vertical piston to 0.2, so the welders have enough time to do their job. Open the control panel, find your projector, and double-click the blueprint. Then adjust the position with the buttons. So here, the projection needs to touch a block that's on the projector's grid. Painting the connected button and piston for clarity. Add the welder group you created to this button toolbar. Then choose Toggle Block On Off and turn on the welders by pressing F. Once the first layer is printed, reverse the vertical piston and let the magic happen. After printing, switch off thrusters and dampers. In the projector's control panel, we can see that our print is missing one block. I looked for it, but I guess it wasn't an important one. The bomb bay doors are missing too, because they were built on rotors, so the game treats them as a separate grid. The same goes for the landing gears that were on pistons. Don't worry, a link to restore them is in the description. Place a connector here. We're going to use the pistons to connect our ship to the base. There you go, the ship is connected. Last step. Disconnect the ship from the projector grid, wind that block and reverse the main piston. As the piston won't react, a block is still connected to the ship. And Clang nearly made it. You made it to the end. Many thanks for following along, I hope it helped, and see you next time.